Here's this app called Gleam, growing in the charts. Charisma and confidence, communication, dating, career. So the gym for social skills, more dates, stronger relationships, deeper conversation, faster promotions, authentic confidence. Learn, practice, challenge, rewire your brain. Join 100,000 plus people bettering themselves. Improve your emotional intelligence with Gleam. Yes, so here you have it. Gleam is a fun science-backed coach for mastering communication skills and social skills, whether it's talking to girls on dates, getting better at conversation, or preparing for an interview or networking. Gleam delivers bite-sized interactive lessons to help you become more confident and charismatic. You can learn to flirt better, ice a job interview, improve your public speaking. Interactive learning, personalized AI feedback, real-world confidence, track your growth, expert advice. And then there is a membership as well here in this app. And then you can just double click to install. So here I can just open it up. And then begin your journey. So for example, you just have this onboarding flow. You can then just find it like this. Then let's just create an account in here. Get started. And this is the app. You can read all of the information. Basically, to boost your social skills. Quite interesting approach. And then you just hold into commit. Then here is the layout. There is a reminder of the trial. And then there is billing. And then you can try the free version as well. So here are your streaks. You can see some lessons which you can read. Then you can see some quests. Then you can see some account. You can see the community. And then you can see how you can contact support. You can view all lessons. Basically, these are the lessons. And there are basically a lot of courses like that, which you can then just practice. Some audiobooks, some courses around that. So, that's kind of the idea. And that's just what you have. There is also Discord community. There is a premium. And that's now if you tap this button, you can't escape it. But okay, so that's the idea. So yeah, that's kind of the app. You can always delete your account and data. What do you think, guys?